You type a cat in a hat, and the AI paints a brand new picture that never existed before. A computer painting something out of nothing? How? Meet Grandpa Igor. Igor paints one beautiful picture. Every winter night, Igor's own cat, Cyclopki, sneaks in through the window. His bad eye, a fight with the dog, but that is another story. Cyclopki walks across the wet paint and smudges it just a little. The next night, Cyclopki comes back and smudges it a little more. Cyclopki does that night after night until it is pure noise and you cannot tell what it is. But here is the thing. Igor watched every single smudge Cyclopki made, so he learns to undo them one night at a time. Back to the picture. Grandpa Igor gets so good at cleaning that he stops needing the original at all. Hand Igor a canvas of pure random mess, and he cleans it into a painting. That, my friend, is diffusion. And it is exactly how an AI draws. It practiced on millions of pictures, smudging each one into noise and learning to undo it. So when you ask for a cat in a hat, it starts with a screen of pure static, then it wipes the mess away step by step, guided by your words, until the cat appears. It was never imagining, it was cleaning. And the catch, it only removes the kind of mess it has seen before. That is why AI hands come out with too many fingers sometimes, because the picture was hiding them in the static all along. Diffusion just wipes away everything that is not your cat. Sorry, Cyclopki. So if this cleans things up for you, give the like button a quick wipe and consider subscribing. The next lesson is already emerging from the noise. Thanks for watching.